You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word from biology and clarify the pronunciation if you want to learn more vocabulary like this that is related, that you're gonna need to pronounce correctly. Stay tuned, we've got more videos for you. Glycogenolysis, so that's the breakdown of glycogen, as you're probably learning right now. Glycogenolysis, so that's the lysis, so the breakdown, when you burn essentially glycogenolysis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.